So this morning, it's not coffee in a Basenji, but tea in a Basenji. And the Basenji is Miss Zulu Joy. Hey Zulu, come say hi. Come here. Come say hi. Oh, don't be shy. So how's everybody doing today? Zulu's just hanging out with me in the chair as she does on some mornings. And her brother is off on the couch as usual. So this beautiful pup is just here next to me. Just relaxing. Check out the paw. Oh, look at her. She's like, yes, he started petting me. Yay. I'm loving life. What is it? 7:51 on a Sunday morning. Well, I hope you are having a good day, whatever time it is where you are right now. Miss Zulu is just relaxed and enjoying a nice little pet. And we hope that you have a great day. I do have a question for you, though. Would you kindly tap the like button on this video? And also, my second question to you is, are you subscribed? I saw a statistic on our channel recently that 90% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. And I know that's because most of the people are watching our old Yodel videos from Graham and Ginger. But if you are not subscribed, I would ask you to subscribe to help support our channel. And we thank you for being here, hanging out with us, and watching all of our fun videos. And we hope you have a great day. Right, Zulu? Right? Whoa, there she is. All right, guys. Nice and short today. We'll see you in the next video.